G'day guys, Rob from TAT. Today we've got a 2009 Astra, not the vehicle behind us. It needs a clock spring and I'll show you what we found. So this Astra came into us from another workshop. They tried to replace the clock spring and unfortunately it's not a traditional clock spring, it's more an integrated module, column integrated module to be exact. And it needs programming to get done. And the shop tried to program it, but it wouldn't work, and I'll show you why. So when you try to replace one of these modules, you have to program it with SPS2, like we do with Holden and GM. And if you do the SPS2 programming without anything else, you can see at the bottom when you finish an SPS2 programming, it shows you the warranty card and then some notes at the bottom. And if you read the notes here, I'll show you what it says, that you need to do this in conjunction with Tech to Win or Tech 2, Tech to Win for aftermarket guys if you're just emulating it on your PC. But relatively easy to do. You have to go into Tech to Win. You need to go to Body, Column Integrated Module, Additional Functions, and then prepare for SPS2 programming. And once you do that, then you go back into SPS2, carry out the programming, and that's all done. And then you go through the system and you have to program the variant configuration to obviously switch the wiper stalk and the indicator left to right, or whichever way you need to. And then program the immobilizer and the keys in, and that talks between the ECM, ECU, the column integrated module, and some of the other lower modules. But once that's done, that's exactly how you program it. And unfortunately, the workshop before didn't know that, and that's why they weren't able to program it. But a lot of us are still working on these older vehicles, and we need to know these little things as we go. So hopefully, if you guys come across a clock spring or a column integrated module that you need to replace on an Astra, you can take this as a tip and replace that module with ease. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.